Hello friends, welcome to GCA. Hope you all are doing good and your preparation is on the right lines. So last week I uploaded video regarding my lecturate strategy. So today's video is regarding my screening strategy that I followed throughout my SSB journey. But before starting the video, let me tell you one thing that yesterday my friend passed out from OTA Chennai. He's my best friend. We are friends from last 13 years and we started our SSB journey together and followed same strategies for the preparation. And he was recommended for the CDS entry in December 2018. If you want to watch his SSB experience video, I have already uploaded the video 6-7 months ago. The link is available in the I button. So now talking about today's video. So this strategy may or may not be helpful for you because we all are aware that there is no sure shot strategy to crack screening, but this strategy worked for me in 70% of the cases. So I hope this will be helpful for you. So again, without wasting any time, let us start. So let us first discuss mistakes whenever I got screened out. So these were basically the mistakes during my initial SSBs when I was getting screened out consecutively and I was not aware of what is actually required to clear the stage 1. So the very first mistake was I was going with prepared stories. So during my SSB preparation at the starting of my SSB journey, I used to practice lot of stories, which I feel was my biggest mistake. Because whenever the picture was displayed in PPDT, so without actually focusing on what is shown, I used to relate the picture with stories that I have already practiced. Then the second was no actions in story, and most of the time I used to describe the picture. The story was not action based. Then the third thing was stuck in narration. So sometime because of my low confidence and sometimes because of nervousness, I got stuck in narration. And as I got stuck in narration, so because of which I was not effective in GD also. So these were basically some mistakes that I committed during my initial SSBs whenever I got screened out. Now let us move to the screening process. So in screening, we all are aware that there are 4 parts: OIR test, then story writing, followed by narration and group discussion. And each part consists of equal weightage, that is of 25% each. Now let us discuss the strategy that I used to follow. So for screening, I follow a very simple strategy. My major focus is always on things which is under my control, and then I try to give my best in things which is not under my control. So in simple language, it means my focus is always on giving my 200% in first 3 things, that is OIR, story writing and narration, because these are the things where we have to perform individually and these does not depend upon external factors. But the fourth thing, that is the group discussion, it is not our under control and it depends upon various factors like the type of group which we are getting and the type of entry which we are going. So after performing my best in first 3 things, whenever I got screened in, what I did is I gave 2 to 3 points in group discussion, that is I always helped group in reaching the consensus. So now talking about OIR test. So my performance in OIR is always good. I have been practicing OIR test from last 5 to 6 years. And I remember in 2015, there used to be a military intelligence test on Join Indian Army website. But when the new website was launched, it was removed. So performance in OIR matters a lot. The most difficult OIR test that I faced was at SSB Kapurthala. And that time I can say my OIR rating was around OIR 3. But still, because of other factors like narration and story, I was able to get screened in. Many say that OIR test does not matter and they do not check, especially in case of technical entries, but this is not true. OIR test matters a lot. Yes, there have been some situations in my life also when I performed very well in OIR and I got screened out. So focus on giving your best in OIR test. That is, you should be in OIR 1 or OIR 2 because a very good performance in OIR test increases your chances of selection. Good performance in OIR does not guarantee you clearance of stage 1, but it increases your chances of clearing stage 1. Then the second is story writing. So as I discussed in my SSB experience video also, so I always focused on writing simple and realistic stories. So for story writing, like at the starting, I discussed the mistakes, that is earlier I used to go with prepared stories. So for story writing, whenever I got screened in, so I avoided the prepared stories. I just wrote realistic and natural story that came at the moment. And as I was preparing for the lecturate, like in the last lecturate strategy video, I discussed about how I used to prepare for lecturate that is after reading and writing, I used to record my voice. So as I was preparing for the lecturate, so my narration was getting automatically prepared. So this was my strategy for the first 3 things. That is, I always tried to give my best in first 3 things. Then the fourth one, that is the most important thing, group discussion. So now I know that I have performed well in first 3 things. So in group discussion, what I did is I always focused on grabbing the opportunity. And yes, there have been some situations when I participated in fish market, but most of the time I avoided it. So in case of fish market situation, I would say just be calm and wait for grabbing the opportunity, because in fish market condition everybody speaks at the same time, and there comes a time when everybody stops. So there is a window of opportunity for around 2 to 3 seconds. So try to grab that opportunity, and in that 2 to 3 seconds give a very effective point, that is help the group in reaching the consensus, that is in deciding the theme. And do not give the minor points like sticking on characters only, like we have perceived characters and their mood. Just focus on the major thing, that is on helping the group in deciding the theme. So this strategy worked for me mainly in technical entries, because we all are aware that in technical entries, because of mass reporting, there is very less time for GD, and sometime because of fish market condition the GD is not completed. So whenever I got screened in, like I said earlier, I gave my best in first three things, and whenever I got opportunity, I performed well in GD. So this is my strategy, and this was the similar strategy followed by my friend whom I discussed at the start of video, who got commissioned yesterday. So I hope this will work for you also. So friends, this is all about today's video, and I hope this strategy will work for you also. So as I mentioned in my last video that I will be undergoing a surgery for the issue which I faced at medicals. So I will be undergoing surgery on Tuesday, that is day after tomorrow, and after which I will not be able to reply for a month. But I have scheduled videos which will be automatically uploaded as I promised. So till then, keep preparing. Best of luck and God bless you.